you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in GTA 5, there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back into the game. Step 1. Restart the game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that your gaming platforms, Steam, Epic Games, etc. are fully updated. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues and loading problems. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the option to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Disable mods. If you have any mods installed, disable them and try launching the game again. Mods can sometimes conflict with game updates and cause loading issues. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game options. High settings can sometimes cause performance issues, leading to longer loading times or freezes. Following these steps should help you resolve the loading screen issue in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from support forums or the game's customer service.